Good afternoon and welcome to GSMS News, coming to you live from our studio in GSMS Africa, Kano, Nigeria. Today, Wednesday, being the 21st January 2026, which is equivalent to 2nd Shaban 1447 after Hijrah. I am Hamza Douda Adam with the news. First, the news headlines. Governor Mufwang of Plateau hails Nigerian Army for Plateau's most peaceful Yuletide in years. Minister Tunji Ojo stormed Gwagwalada Passport Office, queries official over service delays. Governor Dauda Lawan of Zamfara nominated for Face of Africa Leadership Awards. Police fire tear gas as Kwara police student protests NYSC camp relocation. And now the news in details. The Minister of Interior, Olubunmi Tunji Ojo, has condemned delays in passport processing and warned against illegal charges during an unannounced visit to the Nigerian Army Service passport in Gwagwalada, Abuja.
So if the essence here is division of labor, she is doing enrollment, you are doing capturing. So why must you wait till you enroll everybody before you do capturing? Somebody can go there, call somebody, you do the enrollment, then you do the capturing, the person goes and vice versa. You could do that. So why must you? You're wasting people's precious time. Time is money, time is expensive.
The minister stressed that Nigerians must not pay a kobo beyond official approved fees, insisting that inefficiency in service delivery will no longer be tolerated. During the visit, he toured the VIP and children's sections of the office and questioned immigration officials over delays, noting that only a few applicants had been attended to several hours after opening times. However, Tunji Ojo expressed concern that despite being designated for expedited services, applicants were waiting long after office hour had begun, with many others left unattended. Meanwhile, he also cautioned passport applicants against paying any money outside approved charges. Zamfara State Governor Dauda Lawan has expressed gratitude for his nomination for the 2026 Face of Africa Leadership Awards, which is organized by Triangle International Magazine. Speaking at the Government House, Governor Lawal describes the recognition as an honor for his administration and people of Zamfara, noting that it reflects a careful assessment by the organizers and underscores his commitment to leadership that delivers tangible results. He dedicated the recognition to the people of the state, emphasizing that it goes beyond personal achievement. The Face of Africa Leadership Award honors public office holders and private sector's leaders across Africa whose leadership is considered impactful in governance, which contains